Alright, people. Y'all want to know how I did the Samsung Galaxy Note 4? Well, here's the cracked screen. And you see it still comes on, but there is no touch. What is your touch there? What is cracked? Alright. So I'm going to change this glass here to this glass. Okay, people, I'm using a glass and tile blade. As you can see, I'm also using my heat gun. You take a closer look at that, you'll see that the glue is separating itself. Attach to the LCD, and not too much. Because I want to bring in the LCD. I'm going to do this slowly, guys. That's all you want to do. Is just got it down. This thing is hot as ever. So if people want to see how I did it, well, here you are. Sorry, I'm using my iPhone, so I'm going to have to set it down. And as you can see here, as I was showing earlier, that this glue is going to go well with the heat though. It's going to be chunky stuff. So I'll show you how that works. And I'm going to take it one piece at a time. I'm not in a hurry. Just take my time. And now what I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of pressure from the blade here. And the side of the frame here is actually going to hold it. And as you can see there, I've moved my blade down a little bit further. And I continue to move it down one piece at a time until I get something to hold my phone up. Alright, people. Now when you get back to this, this is me taking the glass, separating the glass off of this Samsung Galaxy Note 2. People want to know how I did it? This is how I did it. Heat gun here. And what I'm doing is just heating up the glue for the move. I'm not forcing it or anything. I'm just going to take this razor and ease it down on the UV glue. This is all I'm doing. It's allowing this heat right here. With my heat gun to do the work for me. See the glue start to move. I'm not going to hit it too long because I don't want to burn the LCD. All I want to do is move the adhesive, lighten it up a little bit, put it on smoothly for me. I'm going to take it one piece at a time. This shit is hot, but it does the job. And you'll be able to feel the glass, the glue as it gets cold, so it'll become harder and harder to push on. Don't force it, allow it to separate itself. When you force it, you're damaging. You see how far I've come? Take the bottom up. You see how that glue was taking off on its own? That's what you want the glue to do. You can lift up on the back if you want to the glass. You want that adhesive all the way to the bottom. But on this split, you have to drag your razor down. It's hot enough to just slice through like butter. And there you have it. The glass detached. Now you want to be careful not to go all the way to the bottom because you got your flex cables down there. So what we're going to have to do on that note, let's take a screwdriver to detach that, and I'll be right back. Okay, people, you see the glass has been taken off. Touch screen still works. Still has some adhesive on I gotta take off. But there you have it, people. This is the broken glass that came off. See the UV glue on the back. See the screen on the front here. Okay, this is gonna be the final test I show you guys. Before I take it back under my wing here. See that this is just the LCD. There's no glass on here. This is just the LCD. I'm going to wipe the fingerprints off in a minute. On the top up there. I have to do this with my hands. So, alright, so we got the finished product. As you can see, I still have the plastic on the screen protecting it. Touch function working now. Get that pretty on. Lights lighting up, back to the home page. Apps open up. We get this grind. Done deal.